it's Michelle with Pink and Main. Thanks so much for joining me today. It's the 1st of September. Wow, can you believe it? And it's time to share the Pink and Main subscriptions for the month. If you're unfamiliar with our subscriptions, we have 4 subscription products. We have our newer foil of the month, and I'll go through what you get this month. We have our stamp of the month. We have our stamp and die of the month, and we also have our monthly subscription kit, which I call our Crafty Courtyard kits. So we have 4 subscription products. When you order a subscription product, you are joining a monthly subscription. So it will charge you each month, reoccurring automatically, unless you skip a month or you cancel the subscription completely. We do allow you to skip a month. There aren't that many subscriptions out there that let you do that and stay within the subscription. It'll pick back up the next month and you'll go from there. Another benefit of being a subscriber to one or all of our subscription products is that you get 15% off automatically when you shop for other items on our website. It's an automatic discount, so there's no code needed. So that, along with the value cost of our subscription products themselves and the discount, the ability to skip a month, cancel any time, we're very flexible with our subscriptions. We really feel like we're giving you some great options. Okay, so we'll start out with our foil subscription kit this month. So with our foil subscription, it's $21.99 base price. The shipping is charged based on your location, but within the US, it is free shipping. So the foil this month is Shattered Red. So it's a beautiful, like shattered glass, almost mosaic looking, sparkle and shine. It's a gorgeous, shiny red to add to your collection. Now we will release this later in the month, so you can get it individually, but it's a great deal to get it with the subscription kit because you also get some foilables along with it. This month, we're adding a little freebie in with our foil subscription kit. We may do that from time to time. We're giving you a package of our swatches, our foil swatches. So you get 10 little swatch cards in here. You can punch a hole in a corner and put them on a ring, but I think it's a great way to keep up with the foils that you have and a quick little swatch guide to flip through when you're looking for just the right foil for your project. So here I have foiled with that new Shattered Red. I foiled the swatch card, and then all you do is put the color that it is right there. You just write it in. So you'll always know what the color of foil looks like when it's foiled. You're going to get a package of foilables that are 4 by 5 1/4 inch. There's 8 in here. This is the Christmas sentiments. So these are a lot of great Christmas holiday sentiments that you can cut with your paper trimmer, foil, and add to your cards. They come with solid toner with the white sentiment, as well as them printed in the black toner on white. You can always ink blend on these foilables and change the color of the background if you like. We've got Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Enjoy the Magic of the Season, Noel, Happy Holidays, Yuletide Greetings, Merry and Bright, Holly Jolly Holidays, Happy New Year, Be Merry, Joy, You Made the Nice List, Sending Joy, Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, and then they repeat at the bottom. We did it in a nice pretty script as well as a print font. So you have lots of options. Again, there's 8 sheets in here. So 4 with the black toner and white sentiments, and 4 with the black toner printed sentiments on white. I'm so excited about this. You also get a large foilable kit with the subscription. This is 8.5 by 5.5 sheets. You get 8 sheets total. You're going to get 2 each of the 3 patterns at the top, and then 1 each of the 2 kind of sentiment and icon sheets, I call them. This is the Merry and Bright foilable kit. I love how these patterns came out. Here is a great Christmas and holiday little images and icons on this one. We've got our string of lights. Again, you get 2 each of these patterns. And then we have this beautiful holly leaves and berries background. And then you get 1 each of the sentiment and icons. So here we have Merry and Bright, Season's Greetings, Peace on Earth, Happy Holidays. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And I even gave you a little candy stripe border. You can foil and cut that and use that on your cards and other projects as well. And here's the second little sheet. We've got Holiday Cheer, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, Merry Christmas, this heart with the little icons. Here's a little gingerbread man with the icons in it, so cute. There are the reindeer and their names. And this one says, oh Christmas tree, your branches are so lovely. This is a fun little Christmas foilable kit. And I can't wait to see what you create with it. Be sure to share your projects on our Facebook groups, or if you share them on Instagram, you can tag us at Pink and Main. Next up is our Stamp of the Month and Stamp and Die of the Month. So these are a great value. You get a 4x6 stamp set delivered to you for free within the US each month. If you do the Stamp of the Month, you get the stamp and it's just $12. This is a $16 stamp set. If you ordered it individually, it would be $16 plus shipping. So it's a really great deal. Another great deal is to get the Stamp and Die of the Month. So you get the stamp and coordinating die, and that's $24 base price, which is also shipped free within the US. This month, the stamp set is called Cute Peekers. And aren't these just the sweetest little animals that you can peek over anything? You'll want to grab these because we have stamp sets coming out that will go along with them. So you can peek them over, and then you've got the different little paws for them. And we've got a little speech bubble you could use with them if you like. It says, hello there, love you, happy birthday, thank you, surprise, miss you, just because, and congrats. So all of those sentiments will stamp inside the little speech bubble. And if you use our scratch off sticker sheets, you can die cut the little speech bubble out of the scratch off sticker sheets and put it over there, and the recipient could scratch off to reveal the message. So that's a fun option too. All right, so now let's go over the monthly subscription kit. So this is our card kit. It comes with a ton of stuff. It's a great value. The base price is $34.99, but we do add shipping based on your location. So within the US, I believe the shipping is $8.50, and we haven't changed that in the, let's see, it's been 4 years now that we've been doing these kits, and we have not changed the shipping on them at all. And you know how much shipping has gone up. We try to keep it as economical as possible and give you as much bang for your buck as we can. And international shipping will be a little different. So the theme this month is Fall Fun. We have our color palette here at the bottom. And you get this flyer in with your kit, and I've started to give you card sketches using the products in the kit so that you have kind of a jump start on some ideas when you open the kit up of what you can do with what's inside. You're going to get your handy project bag. This is a mesh zippered bag. Fits the contents of your kit so you can keep them organized, or it's great for crafting on the go as well. We have another lovely set of glitter enamel dots. They're so sparkly and shiny in person. And again, the colors coordinate perfectly throughout the kit. We have a sequin mix. Nice and sparkly with those fall colors that are included in the kit. You get a full 6x6 paper pad. And I'll just go through the patterns that are inside. I love to give you lots of patterns. So I do 24 patterns in our paper pads. It's double-sided, so you get 2 of each pattern. Here's a little ombre background going from white to orange with those fall leaves. We've got plaid and stripes. We've got dots, and look at the pumpkins. More dots and stripes. Here's some outlines of leaves on a wood background. That's really fun. Chevron. We've got some more stripes. Looks like ink splatter on this background here. That's a lot of fun. There's some dots. A fun little herringbone pattern. Another plaid. Love plaid. Love stripes and polka dots as well. Here's some multicolored polka dots, another herringbone. These are great background patterns for your cards. And they coordinate and mix and match perfectly. More dots and that herringbone in the dark brown. We've got more leaves on like a burlap background with stripes. There's a big bold stripe. And then I think we're back to, yep, our ombre orange with the leaves. So 24 patterns, and you get 2 of each. 24 sheets total. Gonna get the branches 6x6 embossing folder. This is a gorgeous embossing folder, and this one can be used throughout the year. These leaves and branches make a gorgeous background for just about anything. We've got our stamp set. Got leaves, pumpkins, we've got fall with some leaves around it, and then you have the solid letters that you can fill in, or you can use them independently to spell out fall. And then we have enjoy the colors of happy, hello, greetings, and blessings. So you can use those along with the word fall. I just love this set. You're also going to get the coordinating dies in the kit. So you can cut out everything that's in the stamp set, including these sentiment strips. So you can cut out those bold sentiment strips. Super easy with the dies. You're also going to get one of our stencils, which are 8.5 by 6.25 inches. So we do our stencils nice and large so you can do a variety of sizes of projects with them. And this is a nice, fun pumpkin background. All our stencils come so that they can go in our binder system. We have a binder that will hold our stencils, and it just kind of keeps them all nice and together. So you get 6 sheets of our colored cardstock. It's 100-pound colored cardstock and 2 sheets of 100-pound white cardstock. So you have plenty of cardstock to get started in making your cards. We do sell our cardstock separately, so you can always grab some more if needed to make some more cards that coordinate with your kit. This month we have wildflowers, we have the park, sunny sky, night sky, brownstone, and coffee shop. So it's a wonderful fall palette to start making some fall cards. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking this closer look at the Pink & Main subscription products for September 2023. It's a great month to subscribe. We've got some beautiful options for you this month. You can head over to pinkandmain.com to check them out for yourself. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.